Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Purti Planet near Bakultala Bajar at Raidighi, and you can see this is a 3 BHK apartment with separate terrace of 1153 square feet sellable area, and you can see this is excellent living cum dining hall along with this very nice balcony. So see, this is a long balcony, and from the balcony you can see the view of the internal garden space along with this beautiful swimming pool view. So this is the swimming pool view of the complex, and these are the internal community hall and indoor games room. All the facilities and amenities have been given. And now come inside again. So from this you can see this is the lobby space, and on my left side this is the kitchen space. This is also a square size kitchen along with L pattern countertop with stainless sink and separate refrigerator space with all electrical fittings. Now come inside again. On my left this is the common washroom with wall mount commode, separate bath space, basin area, and just opposite to that you can see this is a first bedroom along with big size wardrobe space and a very big size window, and from this window also you can see the view of the swimming pool outside. So now come again. So again we are into the lobby space, and from the lobby on my right side again this is the second bedroom. You can see this is the second bedroom along with a very big size wardrobe space and again a big size window, and from this window also you can have a view of this swimming pool space, beautiful swimming pool space. And now come again. So this is the third bedroom. So we are entering into the third bedroom, and this bedroom is also having square shaped. Along with this bedroom you can have your attached toilet. This is the attached toilet space, and now see the unique specification of this flat. This 3 BHK is having separate terrace. This is private terrace along with this flat. So you can see this is the separation of terrace, and you can see in front of you this is the swimming pool space, beautiful swimming pool along with kids pool. This is the kids pool space, and this is the swimming pool. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching. If you are interested for this apartment then please call as early as possible, because we are having only single unit left of this size. So thanks a lot, have a great day.